corrupt country in the world. New Zealand's neighboring countries include Australia, Fiji, New Caledonia, and Tonga. Auckland is one of the most affordable cities in the world. The man who pioneered plastic surgery, Harold Glaze, was a citizen of New Zealand. New Zealand became fully independent only in 1947. The Lord of the Rings films contributed about $200 million to the New Zealand economy. Some of the achievements of NASA's space program are the result of the efforts of astronomer Dr. William, who was a New Zealand citizen. New Zealand is the world's second largest exporter of dairy products. Other products include cheese and honey. New Zealand meat exports beef, mutton, and venison. New Zealand exports timber and timber products, exports edible fruits, nuts. New Zealand is similar in size to Great Britain, but it has a population of about 4 million. While 63 million people live in Great Britain, New Zealand was the first country in Asia Pacific to legalize same-sex marriage. The average life expectancy in New Zealand is 85 years. New Zealand is the second largest producer of wool in the world. New Zealand has the 9th longest coastline in the world. Lake Topaz is the largest natural lake in New Zealand, an ancient volcano. More than 360 glaciers covered New Zealand's southern Alps. New Zealand is the first country to give women the right to vote. New Zealand was once called Staatenland. In New Zealand, children start school on their 5th birthday. Gisborne is the first city on the planet to see a sunrise every single day. The lowest denomination in New Zealand. Currency is the 10-cent piece. New Zealand stands as part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. New Zealand's national sport is rugby. Sir Edmund Hillary, the first person to climb Mount Everest, was from New Zealand.